Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have the Huawei P40 Lite. I've been using this for around 5 days, well trying to use it. I've been trying to get the Play Store services and sideload APKs as well. In this video I'll show you how I got on with that and whether I'd make the jump or not. I've really tried to get used to the Huawei software and the way you download applications through the Huawei app gallery, but it's just not worked for me. Now there are many ways to install Play services apparently for Huawei devices. You download the framework, Google Play services and the Play Store. That's the best I've managed to get. You click sign in and it doesn't do anything. So I've given up with that. I've tried all different versions of Play Store as well. Next is something called LZ Play, which is that there. You download that, it's supposed to run that, and it comes up with this. Press the blue, keeps happening. Bang, bang. Do that, it closes. So that doesn't work either. I've also tried the GSM installer, and you can get that on APK Pure website. But that still doesn't work either. Then I stumbled across GSM Arena. Great YouTube channel, great website, have some really interesting and very useful information on smartphones. They said there's an easy way or method to install Google Play Store. So I thought, great. And this is something you need to download. It's called the Chat Partner app. Download that. It's an APK, obviously. Okay, so the download's complete. We go to install it, all permissions. Open. Now it's supposed to load further than this, actually load into the program, but on the P40 Lite, just freezes. Can't do anything on there. Now, on their website, after running the app, you'll need to tap Detect Device, then Repair. So what this app does, it recognizes that Google Play services and the Play Store are not on there. It goes to repair the phone and installs all the relevant software. But that way is not working either. So I've tried most things to get Play Store and Play services installed on this device, but no joy at all. But for the normal consumer, if they've been used to, the iOS or the pure Android Google experience, they're not going to want to buy a Huawei phone and try to jump through hoops to get all the apps that they want. Now, there is an app called APK Pure, which I've installed, and it's like the Play Store. You can search for your apps that you want. So, for example, let's just search for Facebook. And Facebook is there, so we can click install. Okay, just got to set permissions to allow APK Pure to install the apps. Allow and install. Okay, if all being well, it should open up. Okay, so you can get Facebook on there. You get Facebook on there anyway. But I downloaded Call of Duty through APK Pure. So let me just, because you can open up the app through this as well. Call of Duty. Just to say, like, so it knows it's installed. Open up Call of Duty and you get this. There was an error during the Google Play download. Please make sure you're connected to a stable network and try again. I am connected to a stable network, and that's quite disappointing because I like playing Call of Duty. Now the Call of Duty that they have on the App Store in Huawei is totally different. Call of Duty, Call of Modern War Duty. I've downloaded it and it's crap. Yeah. So let's go back to APK Pure, and there's another game that I play called Last Shelter, which is a really cool game. That's saying it's on there. 8.1. It's only got two. So it's only got 2 reviews. Someone saying it's fake, and someone says I love this game. Let's try and install it. Okay, it's downloaded. Click install. Let's see if it's fake. Successful. Open. It looks real to me. Okay, so that's good. I think I can log in with my Facebook account. That seems to be fine. I suppose there are ways of getting most of your applications that you use, you know, with using an APK library or an application like this, APK Pure. Disappointed that Call of Duty doesn't work though, and there will be other apps and games that will have the same issue. But for me, as a Google lover, I would not be able to make the jump from Google to the Huawei apps and store at the moment. I think the Huawei app gallery needs a lot of updating and needs a hell of a lot of more apps. I mean, like, you can't get YouTube on there, you have to use the browser, but you can download YouTube through APK Pure. So there are ways around it. I'm not ruling out anyone not to buy it, but if you don't mind downloading third-party APK libraries and applications, then you can do it that way as well. For me though, the hardware is excellent, absolutely no problem about that at all. The camera is really, really good. Speed and performance is excellent. You get a 40-watt charger, 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigabytes of internal storage. No problem there whatsoever. It's just the applications available just fall short for me. Just hope one day this ban from the US on Huawei is lifted, because they do make some amazing devices. So that was my little rant about the Huawei P40 Lite. I could not get the Google Play services loaded and the Play Store. If you've managed to get it uploaded and set up and working, let me know in the comments below. And let me know on your thoughts as well, how you feel about Huawei and getting APKs on there from third-party sources. I know a lot of Huawei fans out there probably won't agree with what I'm saying. But thank you very much for watching, guys. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to me, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.